In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix the YouTube app not working on your iPhone or on your iPad. So the first thing we need to do is to close our YouTube app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. And then in here, just scroll down and click on General, and then click on Storage right here on the iPhone storage, or it might say iPad storage for you, of course, if you're using an iPad. And now we're just going to wait for it right here to completely load all of the apps that we have on our phone or iPad. And then when it's done, scroll up and then search for YouTube app right here. And then click on Offload app. And once again in here, click on Offload app, as you can see. Then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here. And then when it says reinstall app, just click on it and wait for the YouTube app to completely update to its latest version right now. You can see it's updating right here, so it might take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to completely finish that update process. And then when it's done, you can go back into the YouTube app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.